Hey everyone, this is Craig, and I just wanted to run through the process for using the iPad and the Google Drive app to capture and organize student digital work. We went over this at East Oakview Elementary, and I'm just looking at our doc. So to reference the steps that we went over and some of the ideas is that you can take screenshots or pictures of work they have done. So if a student's working in an app and you want to capture what they accomplished, you can hold the top power button and the home button simultaneously, and that will be saved in the iPad's Photos app. You can also save things directly to Google Drive. Alright, so here is how to do it. I'm going to transfer over to the iPad. Okay, so the first thing you need is the Google Drive app, which looks like this icon here. If you don't have it, the link to download it is on our document, or you could just search in the App Store for Google Drive. If you don't know where it is on your iPad, you can do the one finger swipe down and start typing in Drive, and you'll find it there. So once you have it open, if you don't have any folders, you won't see stuff like this. But in order to capture things or to access your photos, you can click the plus sign in the upper corner here. So when you do that, it opens up all your options. So if you look at the bottom, you can upload photos or videos from your device into Google Drive. This is helpful because you can store it in Google Drive and not have to take up the storage space on your device. You could also do files that you might have or use your camera. So when using the camera, when you select that, it just takes you right into your camera. So let's say you have something you wanted to capture, student work, or whatever it might be. It's not looking very smooth right now because I'm using an application that's causing it to go slower. But now I can capture it, click use that photo, and now that's going to get uploaded into my drive. So, pretty simple, but you may be asking, how do I get it into a folder? So the smarter way to go about that would be to create a folder first. So if you click on that plus sign and create a new folder, then you could create a new folder for that student whose work it is, or whatever it is that you want to put into it. It could be by writing assignment or a certain task or activity you're doing. So when you're in that folder and then click the plus sign, whatever you add to it from here will go directly into that folder. So you could take videos using your camera, take still pictures, a lot of different options for you, and then everything will be stored automatically in your Google Drive. Then when you go back to your computer and look at your Google Drive, everything that you add from the iPad will be accessible from your computer as well, and you can rearrange or rename or add to it as you see fit. So some ideas around that and things you could do, you could assemble whatever you're taking pictures of into some kind of class presentation, or display them on the projector and annotate as a class. So student writing or anything that you wanted to capture and put up for everybody to see. You could also just share the whole folders or files with parents. I included a link about how to do that, but from Drive, if you right click and share, then you can choose people you want to share with, or click advanced and make it available by link, or depending on what you want to do with it, choose other settings. So that's how it's done, and thanks for listening.